The flame on our Bentley 3 outdoor fire table by OVE goes on, but it doesn't stay on. We've only had it a couple weeks and it stopped working properly. After poking around, I realized the thermocouple wasn't working. A thermocouple is a safety device which will turn off the flow of gas if the flame is not sensed. The company sent me a new one under warranty to replace it. To replace it, first turn off and disconnect your propane or gas line. Take a picture of the hose and thermocouple assembly to use as a guide as you work. Remove the screen around the thermocouple. Remove the nut holding the thermocouple in place. Disconnect the gas line from both the intake and the outlet. Pull off the gas control knob. Unscrew the nut holding it in place. With your new part, reverse engineer the steps you just took. Put the new part in place and tighten the nut under the gas control knob. Then slide the knob back on. Connect the gas line that will run from the propane tank and the outlet going to the burner. Put the thermocouple in place and tighten the nut on top to hold it. Then place the screen over the thermocouple. Make sure the glass or stones are not inside the screen or crowding around it. Connect your propane or gas line. Test your fire table and make sure the repair was successful.